Hello and welcome. Today we are doing a beginner glute series. So I know that starting a new exercise program could be intimidating or daunting, but this is not it. We are breaking it down, keeping it simple, keeping it slow so you can understand form, get a little practice in, get that comfort level so that as you progress through your exercise journey, you can know those movements and feel your best about it. This is just 8 minutes. It is targeted for beginners, but really anyone who wants an 8-minute workout to feel a little burn in that booty can join on in. I have a mat and let's get started. Let's just start with a big deep breath in first and push it away. Again, nice and big, breathe it in, set those intentions, feel that breath, feel that connection, and push it away. All right, I'm gonna get my playlist. Now, we're gonna be in a quad, but on our forearms. So you're on those knees. If you have knee problems, definitely get a towel. I like to be on my forearms. Sometimes I come up. Really, what feels comfortable for you. So I want you to engage that belly, pull that navel to that spine. And my hands are in prayer for right now. We are going to go up on those toes, have that nice bend in that leg, and we're just gonna lift and lower. Bring it up and down. Yes. So here, you're just trying to keep that nice bend in the leg, right? You're gonna feel it on that hip bone. You may feel a little stretch in that hip. But what you're trying to do here is to keep that, so right now I'm working my right leg, you're trying to keep that opposite side nice and still. And you're just focusing on that area where that butt cheek meets that thigh. And you just lift and lower. Now, in my classes, we don't use a lot of heavy weights. We use a lot of reps. So in those reps, you're gonna feel that fire, that burn I talk about. And that's just showing that the muscle's working. That is where that tone and that sculpt comes in, right? All right, bring it up. Now we're gonna hold in 4, in 3, in 2. All right, hold here. So keep that knee up high. All right, and we're just gonna little pulse, lift. So those little pulses are tiny movements. You're moving up and down an inch, trying to keep that knee up. Yes. Here we have a flat foot. I mean, at this point, we're really just focusing on that glute. So I would really have that mindful moment where you're thinking of where that burn is, right? Yes. Tiny movements. It doesn't seem like a lot, but those little small movements are big changes, right? All right, let's have a little release. And we're gonna bring those knees together and shoot out that leg. So we're gonna bring it in and long. So bring it in and long. In, extend. Bring those knees together. Nice and slow. So feel that leg. This is where pointing your toe really feels great because you feel like that lengthen, that your leg is getting longer. And again, we always want to protect those knees so that landing is nice and soft. All right. Give me 4, 3, 2, last one. Okay, here is where I like to come up on this arm. We're gonna do a fire hydrant, okay? So you keep that bend and you lift up. That knee comes up high. Yes. All right, let's do 4 more. 3, last 2, last 1. Bring it down, come back to a child's pose. We got that one leg down. I'm just gonna turn, we're gonna do that other side. So get in that quad, hands in prayer position, and we're gonna lift and lower. Yes, feel that stretch. Just feel that glute lifting and lowering. Keep that nice bend. Yes. Now, when your foot is flexed in these positions with that bent knee, it's nice to visualize your foot just stomping on the ground, sorry, on the ceiling, obviously, and lift. Nice and simple. Starting to feel that heat. All right, give me 4 more. We're gonna hold in 3. We got pulses in 2. Last one, just little lifts, up. Tiny movements, right? Tiny movements. That heat is building. Use that breath, keep breathing. Breathe it in and breathe it out. All right. We're gonna have a little reprieve. I'm gonna pull that knee into that other knee and shoot that leg out long, pointing that toe on the way. So pull it in here, in and out, and in and long, in. Yes. Nice. Keep it up. All right. Give me 4 more. 3, 2. Last one. Come up. We're gonna do that fire hydrant on this side. Let's go. Bring it up and down and lift and lower. Yes. All right, give me 4 more. 3, 2. All right, last one. Take it down. Get in that child pose. Nice. Maybe pound it out if you feel like it. Nice. Okay, we are going to go on our backs. Okay. Now, we're gonna do some bridges. So bridges are great because they work the abs, but they also use that glute to help lift you up. So if you were to put your hands on your booty, you would definitely feel that squeezing, right? So right now, just think of those hip bones rising and lowering. Bring it up and down. Now, from here, just bring that lift and lower. We're gonna add some arms, and then also a little deeper, we're gonna come up on those heels, and we're gonna push up. Yes. We're gonna end with these bridges. Just hold it here for a while, right? Just feel that booty lifting and squeezing and coming down. And again, you need all that control so that you're not slamming down on the ground. It is very mindful, very purposeful, right? Lift and lower. Yes. Hold it up in 4, in 3, in 2, last one, just give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, take it down, pull it in, feel a nice little stretch. Alrighty, and you are done. I hope that your glutes feel great. I hope that you feel a bit more confident doing that glute series, and I hope that you thank yourself for showing up today, and that I see you soon.